Are you tired of endlessly searching for a reliable Mailchimp integration for your WooCommerce store? Learn the exact steps to install the official plugin in under 4 minutes. Well, start in your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the WooCommerce marketplace, then find and install the Mailchimp extension. Start by heading to your dashboard and opening WooCommerce. Then, in the WooCommerce marketplace, click on Popular Products. To see the full list, go ahead and click See More. Next, click on the Highlight button to filter the options. Now, click on Mailchimp to select it. Once you're on the Mailchimp page, click Install for free. Finally, hit Download and Install, and that's how you add Mailchimp with WooCommerce. If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.